Good morning class 6 student. Let us continue our chapter number 4 of computer MS PowerPoint 2010, and it is part third, and the topic is chart and its component in PowerPoint. Graphical and pictorial provide an effective base to display the data in chart that make it easy to display various comparison, growth, connection between values and trend in any given data. See, graphical and pictorial form, it is a very easy way to display the data in the form of chart, as it helps us to make comparison between the growth, connection and different values. Chart provide an accurate analysis of any given information. Chart help us to provide any detailed information about particular topic. The data can be seen in a special window called data sheet. The data can be seen in a special window called data sheet when we insert the chart, which get updated instantly without any change in the data. Once you have created the chart and you make any change in the data, then the corresponding chart will get automatically updated. Now, what are the component of the chart? See class. See this diagram. First is your chart area. Second is your value axis. Third is your category axis. Fifth, data series. Name of the category. Plot area. 5 is plot area. 6 is 7th is legend. Then chart title and grid lines. Now let us see one by one. First your chart area. This is your chart area. Chart area includes the complete area and all the object in the chart. Whatever completely area is there, that includes in the chart area and all the objects. Second is value axis. See, second is value axis. You can see this is value axis. Ashu, Manu, Nilu, Madan. Y axis to use to plot the graph is vertically. Category axis. This is the category axis, number third. X axis used to compare them, present the data in horizontally. Next, 4 is data series. See, 4 number. This is your data series. These bars. The bar, slices or various other elements that display the data are known as data series. Fifth is the name of the category. The label displayed on X and Y axis. The label which is displayed on X axis and Y axis. Sixth is your plot area. Sixth is plot area. The area window within the chart area is known as the plot area, which includes the chart area and the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. It contains chart area, plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Next is legend. This is legend, 7 number. This represents symbolic patterns on the color assigned to the data series. Whatever colors assigned you made, that is displayed here as a form of legend. Next is your chart title. 8 number is chart title, and last 9 number is your grid lines. Chart title, it explains the content name of the chart, why we are designing the chart. Grid lines, charts have horizontal vertical line depending upon the chart area type selected. The grid line extend across the plot area of chart. It is easy to read and understand the value within the help of grid line. Now grid lines help us to read and understand the value in the chart. Now till now we have studied what is the different component of the chart. Now how to insert a chart in MS PowerPoint. Now click on the home tab and press button layout. From drop down, select the title and content layout. First of all, go to home tab and press layout button. From there will be a drop down option. From the drop down, select the title and content layout. Click to add title on placeholder and type monthly expenses. Just click on the title and write the title of the chart, monthly expenses. Now click insert chart icon on the slide. Now what you just click insert chart icon on the slide. After the insert chart dialog box appear, choose the chart type visible on the left pane, and the subtype of the selected chart type will be then displayed. Now after your insert chart dialog box appear, select the chart type which is visible on the left pane, and subtype of the selected chart type will be displayed on the right side. Click OK on the column chart. The chart will be visible within the data sheet that has the default data. Now click OK. As you will click OK, the chart will be visible from the data sheet. One owns data can replace the default area. For removing the data from data sheet, move the blank button located at the upper left corner of the column indicators. If you want to change the values, you can just change the values and the value will be removed from the data sheet view. The cursor turns into plus sign in white. On clicking the button, the entire data sheet gets selected and press the delete key. Just this plus sign will be there on the screen, which is there to select the entire area. Click the button and entire data sheet gets selected and press the delete key. Click on the cell under the column BB1, then type the month Jan, press the tab key. Type Feb and press the tab key. Type March and press. In this way, just enter January, February, March. In this way, the data will be entered. Click on the cell B2 and type 800. Type 850 after pressing the tab key and follow the same procedure to type the entire data. In this way means you are just typing the data, you are just feeding the data in that this Excel sheet type format. The chart get instantly plotted as the data is being entered. As you enter the data, the chart is automatically get just display like this. Click on the close button on the title bar of the data sheet for the closing the data sheet. You can click on the close button to just to just close the data sheet now.